Keep this by your bedside. If you want to go to bed, just keep it by your bedside or your living room to overcome evil. Nobody will harm you. Nobody born of a woman can ever touch you. Yeah, welcome back. So in today's video, like the title says, I'm going to be showing you what to use to protect yourself. Of course, it's through the power of God. It's only the power of God that can make it to work. So in case you are new here for the first time, you're so welcome. My name is Pamela. I share spiritual messages and tips. As you can see, if you find yourself in my channel, just know that I talk about only spiritual, okay, and nothing else. With your faith, all things will work for you. So beware of scammers. I don't do spiritual work. I don't sell any spiritual items. May God bless you. Consider subscribing if you love what I do. Also turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get to see and come and watch. Do you know rosemary? Rosemary leaf is very spiritual. It's not only for food, for cooking and all that. Rosemary means spiritually remembrance. It makes people that forgot about you to start remembering you. Also, you can also use it to repair evil, to get rid of evil, anything obstacle. It makes way open for good things to come to you. Nothing negativity is attached to it. So that is what that leaf does. Either you get the fresh leaf or you get the dried leaf. As you can see on the screen, if you find any of them, just make use of it. I will also tell you how to make use of it. So keeping at the bedside is just like a second choice, okay, like alternative. But the potent one is using it to have your baths. How to prepare it for bathing, to get rid of anything evil, and also to make people that forgot about you to remember you for good and come back and favor you, is get that leaf, the dry or the fresh one. Wash it, just rinse it to remove dust, to remove this. Transfer into your cooking pot. Add as much water as you want to add. Any quantity of leaf can go, okay? So just transfer into your cooking pot and boil. If you see color change, that is the time to turn it off and bring it down to cool for some time. After that, add salt. Any salt. You can use sea salt, you can use your kitchen salt. Salt gets rid of evil, cleanses to get rid of evil. Anything obstacle, anything hindrance, anything negativity of all kind. Anybody that want to fire you any evil arrow, it will not come to pass. So add some quantity of salt into that boiled water, rosemary water. As you add it, believe it that God will do great things for you. So the next thing is to call onto the power of God. Start asking that God manifest himself, that God should show his power, that God should manifest himself, his power into this, so that it will be effective. And also your faith is important here. Make sure your faith is there, of course. You are not using my faith. You won't use any other person's faith. It's only your faith that can make it work, because you are the one that want to use it. So when you manifest the power of God in this, you'll be sure the source you are using. You'll be very 100% sure that it's the power of God that you are using. So nothing fetish, nothing diabolic. So after missing and praying and telling God what you want to use it for, that God should watch over you, to protect you from harm, to come against any evil that may come your way or around your space. So when you are done, please use this to have your bath. You can use it alone or transfer the water into your bathing water. When you are bathing with this water, do not use soap. But after bathing, you can apply your body cream. But I always advise, anytime you are doing spiritual work, stay away from anything chemical, soap or body cream. But you can use your body cream anyway. But the one of using soap to bathe with this water is a no-no. Bathe with it alone. So after bathing with this water, be believing God for his mighty work. Start appreciating God because God is awesome. Believe it that God will protect you from harm. No matter how that problem is, no matter the nightmare, no matter the forces at night, God will deliver you. Use Psalm 35 to pray after bathing with this. You can use Psalm 35, okay, if you're a Christian. So if you're not a Christian, just pray normally, mean it from your heart. But remember that anybody that do spiritual work, if you are into spirituality, okay, you have to always keep your ways upright, because these are the things that makes God happy. Keep your ways upright and treat people rightly. Do not offend people and just treat people anyhow you like. Those things can make your spiritual work not to be effective. So you can also put rosemary leaf, the fresh or the dry one, under your pillow before you go to bed, or keep it around the corners of your room. With prayer, of course, after praying and inviting the power of God, of course. You cannot just go and get rosemary from anywhere and start using it. No, your faith need to be there. The power of God need to be present. You need to seek God. Tell God with your mouth that you need him, and he will protect you always. If you want to also burn incense is also something that repels evil. I know many people, they don't believe in burning incense. Like the way you burn to protect you from harm. There are different types. There are back to sender. There are different types. Go online, search for it. You can purchase anyone that goes with what you need. You can also just use the rosemary method. Okay, it's a plant, very natural and very potent. With your faith, it will work. May God bless you. So go on and try it, okay? The next day, if you place it under your pillow or if you place it around the corners of your house, just sweep it out, trash it out. Anytime you want to go to bed, if you want to use it, use a fresh one. If you place it under your pillow, remove it the next day, trash it out. Whenever you want to sleep, if you wish to add it under your pillow, you can just get another one. May God bless you. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.